How many days are you staying?
I wish it was a year. I wish it was a year. I think it's a couple of days. I think like 5, 6. I know it's going to be great. I could feel it already. You know what I mean? The welcome is nice.
Visit for your fans?
Well, it's just electrifying. You know what I mean? The performance, the movements, everything is just going to be busy. Yeah. All the fans out there, just make sure you are in the building on that show day.
Where is that building?
Yeah, man, KICC grounds. Just make sure, say, everybody that's gonna be viewing this right now, everybody's gonna be seeing this interview and this greeting. Just make sure that you are there, because it's gonna be a brighter day, a brighter night, a brighter life. Free up black people, yes. So live up black people. I in a jail, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them attack.
Ready?
Yeah. Ready?
Dan çıkıyor piyasaya la punjuli. Dan çıkıyor piyasaya la punjuli. Ha?